Renting a meeting room. Want that boutique hotel experience for your next meeting with an attractive price tag? Avoid the common mistake, booking a hotel meeting room. Yes, it's often fantastic, but that doesn't justify you paying $600 to $1,500 for a 3-hour meeting, does it? Another mistake is renting a meeting room via a meeting room broker or a co-working space. While typically offered at an attractive price range, you're not going to get some very important features. Full on-site service. What happens if the room is out of whiteboard markers? What if you brought the USB instead of the HDMI cable? On-site support is a must, not a privilege. Privacy. Co-working meeting rooms are open, also to prying eyes. Modern design is great, but when you're doing a job interview or showing your sales funnel, you should look for a meeting room that's more private. Most brokered meeting rooms come with basic design. What you're looking for is a stylish venue, well designed with ambience and chic. Stuff you can't explain, but makes you feel great and everyone more focused and productive. So, what can you do? Choose between great and expensive or basic and cheap? Not really. Today, there's a third option, Meet in Place. Multi-meeting room complex operator, providing a variety of collaborative spaces, concepts and designs for any meeting, business or personal, all in one venue. Meet in Place operates meeting rooms. It's not a co-working space. Meeting rooms for meetings that matters. There are 12 to 18 meeting rooms per venue with a dedicated support team on the premises. Contemporary, stunning and luxurious design at Meet in Place infuse the space with positive energy and inspiration that captivates customers. No membership required, on demand, pay by the hour. It's no wonder some of the world's biggest brands and corporations are choosing Meet in Place. Companies like Facebook, Google, McKinsey Consulting, Wix.com, SodaStream and major banks enjoying the benefits. And why not? Get the best of both worlds. The chic boutique hotel's cutting-edge look, attractive price and winning customer experience. It's time to take your important meetings to the next level. Now available in multiple locations in New York City, London and Tel Aviv.